Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of baking with a focus on a kitchen essential. The Wilton Excelle Elite Non-Stick Tart Pan and Quiche Pan with removable bottom. If you're in the market for the best fruit tart pan, look no further. Let's explore why this pan stands out from the rest. Designed by Wilton, a trusted name in bakeware, this 11-inch tart pan is a must-have for any baker's arsenal. Crafted from durable steel, it ensures even baking and prevents warping over time. The best part? Its non-stick coating allows for easy release, making cleanup a breeze. What sets this tart pan apart? Well, for starters, its removable bottom makes serving and cleaning effortless. No more struggling to get your beautiful creations out of the pan. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, though hand washing is recommended for longevity. Whether you're whipping up a classic fruit tart or a savory quiche, this pan delivers consistent results every time. The fluted edges not only add a touch of elegance to your creations but also help in creating perfectly baked crusts. In conclusion, the Wilton Excelle Elite Non-Stick Tart Pan and Quiche Pan with removable bottom earns its spot as the best fruit tart pan available. It combines durability, ease of use, and impeccable baking performance. If you're serious about baking, this pan deserves a place in your kitchen. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a product you'd like us to review next. Until next time, happy baking!